What's up, everyone? I just want to make a quick video real quick because I haven't seen anything on the internet about this, but I have a Suzuki DF20 and the kill switch went out. What I did is I purchased one of these kill switches, which is different than the one I have for the Suzuki DF20. So what I'm going to do is show you how it's hooked up. This is my kill switch now, how it's connected. It is connected with these two wires, a red and blue and a black. So what happened was my kill switch just disintegrated. The other one's similar, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these wires here and just do the white to the red and blue and black to the black and see what happens. So I'll get back with you. I'm just going to wire black to black. And then white to the red. Just see what happens. If it works, I'll come back and solder it and put some heat shrink. We got everything turned on. Let's see if plug it in. See if it works. So that'll work. So I'll solder everything up, get everything cranked up, wrapped up. That's how you do it. So that is what the finished product looks like. Everything should work. Kills, everything's good, all plugged in. Hope it works for you.